Showed you good? Leave him alone.
He's like getting a break here today.
Pardon the pun, he said, you're a growing boy.
Growing boy.
Left or right there?
Twillingate is a town of 2,121 people located on the Twillingate Islands in Notre Dame Bay, off the northeastern shore of the island of Newfoundland in the province of Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada.
Okay.
The town is about 100 kilometers north of Lewisport in Gander.
Places, like I said, there's bed and breakfasts here everywhere.
Yeah, I wanted to rent this trailer down here, but I couldn't find it on the internet either.
Well, most of them aren't. No, the park is that way.
No, the park is this
Park
way,
is
sir.
Why would
The park is on mine and not
Why
this
there over
side.
that way, and then it's that way, and then it's this way? Jeez. Now, you're going to go up for the park?
Yeah, we are.
What you're planning? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, amigo. Are you cleaning up the grass?
Look, she's full, sure. From all over the world, people come see.
All over
Honest to
the
God.
world.
All over the world, people come to this campsite. They ain't from Canada. Oh, right there. That was Nova Scotia. That's
Do I have to
Canada.
stay right, or can I go left? Or can I go
You-
straight? Or can I do what?
Well, they got birdhouses there. I wonder, do I need one of those?
No.
That's right. That's right,
I
Ma.
don't want a birdhouse. I found out you don't want no birds around her, so
Oh, babe, it's so
this only
pretty.
goes around. This only goes around the circle here.
Yeah, I know. You missed the road back
I
there.
probably went the wrong way.
Yeah. I say that too.
All around the circle.
I like their color, lime green. I like the color of their
Anyway,
picnic tables.
we're going to lime green back that way now. You see, you want to go down the other road, do you?
Yes, my love.
I think the supposed to go this way, around the circle.
Yeah, that's okay.
Keep right, young man.
When
That's okay.
Stanley and I were on the quad, we came through a place similar to this. Remember that?
Nice.
Yeah.
And you can sit in there and shoot the breeze. So do I got to go that way now?
Yes, my love.
You have to realize.
It's beautiful.
You go left,
It's
go right,
nothing
go
like
right,
being
go
out in
left.
a campground.
Oh, continue to talk.
There's the washing house. You do your laundry here. And if you go on and have a cold beer, there's a washroom to use. You can have a pee.
Cell phone charging station, love.
Oh, that's great.
Cell phone charging for me.
That's cool.
We're at the end of the road. We're going to turn around.
Life rocks. What did I say?
Life rocks when you're home road.
This is as far as it goes.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
I
beautiful.
really want to show the boys this.
Yeah, beautiful.
The road.
It is.
I guess you come here and have a picnic, right?
I want to come here and stay for a week.
You know that reminds me of what's his name? Yogi Bear.
Yogi.
Picnic class.
Yeah, Ranger Rick and Yogi Bear. Boo boo boo.
I miss my camping days, though. But it's so much. I wouldn't want to own it, be lugging it around again and setting it up. I just want to rent it.
Did you happen to have a picnic type basket?
Because there is a lot of work to it once you get
That is
to your
different. Oh yeah,
destination.
charge up your cell phone there, yes, but
Then you got to be dumping the shit tank.
a little spot for the kids down there.
Yeah.
That in there, yeah. We went in there to showers.
Washroom, showers.
Showers and dishwasher and a clothes washer in there. I think there's a dishwasher in there too or something.
Yeah, for doing your dishes.
Oh.
Outside stuff you want to clean up.
Yeah, there's a place there to
I
keep.
got a look at the big propane tanks those campers got there.
Oh, yeah, he's there for all summer probably, right?
Yeah, great big one. They might be there all winter.
A 100-pound tank, I guess. They had a load of them for sale, did Mr. T the other day. Whoops. Keep right, young man. It's 7 100-pound tanks or something for sale. I don't know how we ended up with them, but
Babe, look at the birdhouses.
where?
Back there in everybody's camper. You never
Oh,
even
okay.
seen them.
No, I don't want birdhouses.
Okay, let's go check in.
Okay, so where am I going now? Left, right, back,
We're
forth?
going right to get out of there.
Right turn, young man.
Yeah, right turn. You got a United States flag up here.
They had that there
Yeah.
before, I don't know why. They had that there last time we were here.
They must get a lot of
Yeah,
Yep.
Now, where am I going? On down here?
Deaf Charlotte Place, so you gotta be careful. You went down there. Yeah, you just going around, sweetheart.
Left or right?
Left.
Left.
Yeah, you go left.
Twillingate embodies everything so many Newfoundland and Labrador outports are famous for: stunningly rugged coastline, historical, picturesque streets, and lush countryside roads. In the waters off the coast, look for whales, dolphins, harp seals, seabirds, and, if the season is right, icebergs. Twillingate is one of the stops along Iceberg Alley, a vast corridor of ocean that runs from Greenland into popular path for these frozen leviathans. One of the best places to view all these sights is at Long Point Lighthouse, which looks out over the distant reaches of Notre Dame Bay. Take a boat expedition and witness whales breaching and playing just meters away from you. I did a tour of Long Point Lighthouse. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload the breathtaking view at Long Point Lighthouse.